In this lesson, I'm gonna teach you how to use when in Cambodian language. How to use when in Cambodian language is the same as using in English as well. One we use in a question and another one we use in a statement. Okay, so now let's learn through it together. Okay, so now we start learn through how to use when together. Okay, so when I write like this. Okay, when. Okay, so I can say when we have two. One we use in a question. Okay, and another one we use in a statement, or I can say we use in positive sentence. Okay, I can say I write statement. Okay, statement. Okay, so you have to remember when you use when in the question. When you use when in the question, when we say pel na. Okay, so we translate pel na. Okay, and then I write for you in Khmer. Pel na. Okay, and another one when you use when in a statement, we say pel dail. Okay, you have to remember this. Pel dail for statement, pel na for question. And one more, for pel dail, you have one more option, shorter than it. You can say pel. So I can say in statement, you can say pel dail or just say pel only, right? Okay, and then it might be like this. Pel dail, and then okay, in the bracket. So I can say pel. Okay, so here I put number 1 and here I put number 2. Okay, so yeah, now start with number 1 first. Okay, so I will erase it. Okay, so now number 1, when. Okay, so I say pel na. Okay, so I'm gonna tell you a little bit with this. How to use when in a question. You can use both. You can use at the beginning of the sentence or at the end of the sentence as well. Okay, so I can say when and then sentence, or I can write like this and then I use when at the end of the sentence like this. Okay, so how to use when? You have two options to use, at the beginning and at the end. Okay, yeah, so now let's do example together. Okay, so now example 1. Okay, I can say when will you come back? Okay, when will you come back? Okay, this is a question with when, right? When will you come back? Okay, so in Khmer we say pel naអ្នកនឹងមកវិញពេលណាអ្នកនឹងមកវិញ. Okay, so you see I use pena at the beginning of the sentence. And now just learn word by word. Okay, so now pena is when. You see? Pena is when. Nè is you. And will is nâng. And then for the word come back, in Khmer we say một vinh. This word. Okay, I can say together. Một vinh is a word for come back. Okay? So you see, in English you use when and then will first. When will you come back? But in Khmer you have to say when you will come back. When you will come back. Okay. Or another option, you can use when at the end. So you can start with you will come back when. Okay. So in Khmer you can say I start with nè. Nè nâng một vinh pena. You see? Nè nâng một vinh pena. Okay. So now, okay, I will write in Khmer alphabet for you, for students that can read Khmer. Okay, so I say pena nè nâng một vinh. You see, this is how to write in Khmer. If you can read Khmer, okay, this is for you. Pena nè nâng một vinh. Okay, so easy. Making question with when easy. Use it at the beginning or at the end. Okay, again. Pena nè nâng một vinh. Or I can say nè nâng một vinh pena. Okay, so now let's try example 2. Okay, so now I can write this one. Okay, example 2. Okay, example 2. Okay. Okay, example 1, I use the word come back. Okay, now example 2, I can use the word go back. Okay, I can use the word go back. So, when will you go back? Okay, when will you go back? When will you go back? Okay. Okay. When will you go back? So I will not need to write this again. I just write only the word go back for you because this one, okay, the same. Okay, so the word go back in Khmer we say tư vinh. Tư vinh. Okay, tư it means go. Tư it means to go. And then for the word go back, tư vinh. Tư vinh. Okay, so the whole sentence you can say, okay, this one the same. So I read from this now. Okay, so we say pena nè nâng tư vinh. Pena nè nâng tư vinh. Or you can say nè nâng tư vinh pena. Okay, nè nâng tư vinh pena. Okay, and then I write the word tư vinh in Khmer for you. Okay, tư vinh. Okay, yeah. So this is how to use when in a question. Okay, how to use when in the question. So easy. Okay, so now number 2, how to use when in a statement. Okay, how to use when in a statement. Okay, so I can say number 2, when. Okay, when. Okay, we sayពេលដែល. And then I put in a bracket. Okay, so here I say statement. And then this word in Khmer.ពេលដែល. Okay. Okay, so now let's do example together. Example 1. I can say, when I arrive home, I will, and then do something, whatever you want. Okay, so I can say, when I arrive home, and then you say, I will, blah, 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 like this. Okay, so you see, it's different from question. This is a statement. We use when in a statement, right? Okay, good. So, this sentence, how do you translate? Okay, so we say, pel đài. Okay, pel đài. Okay, I, ខ្ញុំ arrive ដល់ and home ផ្ទះ Okay, so first sentence first. ពេលដែលខ្ញុំ ដល់ ផ្ទះ and then I write down here, I again, ខ្ញុំ and then will in Khmer we say នឹង and then blah blah blah, maybe I will cook or I will call you. Okay, it's up to you. Okay, so again, when I arrive home, I will, ពេលដែល or I just say only ពេល ខ្ញុំ ដល់ផ្ទះ ខ្ញុំ នឹង ពេលដែល ខ្ញុំ ដល់ ផ្ទះ ខ្ញុំ នឹង Okay, good. So in Khmer, ពេល ដែល ខ្ញុំ ដល់ ផ្ទះ ខ្ញុំ នឹង blah blah blah. Okay, this is my alphabet. ពេលដែលខ្ញុំ ដល់ ផ្ទះ ខ្ញុំ នឹង Okay, so not a question, eh? Okay, good. Okay, let's try one more example. Okay, I already this one. Okay, example 2. When I meet you, I will. Okay, I use the same question. I use the same sentence. I will when I meet you. Okay. I will tell you like this. Okay, I can say, when I meet you, I will tell you. Okay, just use this sentence. When I meet you, I will tell you. Okay, yeah. So in Khmer, okay, this one the same. ពេលដែល Oh, I forgot to tell you one more. It's not the same. It's different from question. In question, as I told you, when you can use both at the beginning and at the end. But in the statement, you cannot. You cannot. You can use only at the beginning of the sentence like this. When. Because the same as in English as well. You cannot use this at the end, right? I meet you when. Cannot. But you can say only when I met you. Okay, so in Cambodian the same. In Cambodian language the same. You can use only at the beginning of the sentence when you use when in a statement. Okay, yeah. Okay, so now look back to our example again. Okay, so when I meet you, I will tell you. Okay, so I say ពេលដែល Okay, again, ពេលដែល Okay, I ខ្ញុំ meet ជួប and you អ្នក Okay, second sentence I will write down here. Okay, this one I will erase. Okay, yes. Okay, ពេលដែលខ្ញុំ ជួបអ្នក I will tell you okay I write here ខ្ញុំ នឹង okay I will okay to tell ប្រាប់ ប្រាប់ and then you again អ្នក okay good so I read for you ពេលដែលខ្ញុំជួបអ្នកខ្ញុំនឹងប្រាប់អ្នក one more time ពេលដែលខ្ញុំជួបអ្នកខ្ញុំនឹងប្រាប់អ្នក okay good in Khmer ពេលដែលខ្ញុំជួបអ្នកខ្ញុំនឹងប្រាប់ okay ពេលដែលខ្ញុំជួបអ្នកខ្ញុំនឹងប្រាប់អ្នក okay good okay so this is how to use when in a statement okay so now again when you use when in a question we say ពេលណា and how to use at the beginning and at the end of the sentence the same number 2 when you use when in the statement okay we say ពេលដែល or ពេល and how to use you can use it at the beginning of the sentence only okay yeah okay so I hope you will understand about how to use when in Cambodian language if you have any question or any comment please write below and then I'm gonna talk to you in next video thank you